Merry Christmas, everybody.
I hate that I remember. I wish I could forget what you did last December. You left my heart a mess.
Christmas in the Park 2023.
How could you do it, do it, do it?